Right here I have the perfect dining chairs that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ. Hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to be reviewing this 4-pack of these modern farmhouse dining room chairs. Now these come in a couple different colors. You can get these in this linen that is going to be a cream beige color, and then you can also get this in a white Sherpa material. The legs and framing on this chair is going to have a nice beautiful natural color wood, and you can also get it in black. Now these chairs are super comfortable and they look amazing with my dining room table. So my dining room table does have accents of browns, tans, and beiges in here, so it just blends in perfectly. These are going to be a great height. They can slide all the way under this table perfectly, and I love the U-shaped design in the back. It's actually really ergonomic and very comfortable. So when I'm sitting at a dining table, whenever I'm done with my meal, I do like to sit back and relax, have my arms draped on an armrest, and just continue the conversation and have a good time at dinner and not be wanting to get up and leave. And these chairs are so comfortable because I don't feel like I want to rush up to get out. We're gonna have a high density sponge foam in the armrests and then also in the seat cushion. So gonna be very comfortable. Now these chairs are gonna have a triangle framing that makes it super durable, and they can actually hold up to 300 pounds per chair. So that's actually pretty impressive. And these chairs are very wide as well. So you're gonna have almost 20 inches of width going throughout this chair. So with this chair having a wide base, it's actually gonna support a bunch of different ranges of body types and sizes. And that's gonna be important, especially if you're gonna be hosting friends and family. Now these chairs are not only gonna be perfect for the dining room, you could actually use these for accent chairs in your home, or you can put these in an office, a bedroom, a basement, a whole bunch of different ways you can actually use these. Now they do look amazing in the dining room, and I love the linen material because it's actually very easy to clean. I've noticed that if you do get anything on it, all you got to do is just take a cloth and you can kind of just wipe it out. So I do appreciate this high quality material for that. As I was taking a close look at these chairs, I noticed that the stitching was on point. I didn't see any loose threads and everything looked like it was very premium and high quality. Now let's take a look at the legs of this chair. We're gonna have an anti-scratch on the bottom. So if you do want to move these on your hardwood surface, I'm not afraid to do that on my hardwood floors at all because they're not gonna scratch them. Now on the bottom of these legs, you're gonna have an anti-tip kit. So you're gonna be able to adjust the leveling on here to make sure everything's sitting nice and smooth the way that you want it. Now let me talk to you about the assembly. Very easy. Each chair probably took about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your skill level, and it does come with the tools and all the hardware. The directions are super easy to follow. Everything's outlined, very easy. So this is going to be more on the basic level side of assembly, which makes it very nice and easy for anybody. Now I do like, as I sit down in this chair, I can actually grab the sides of the armrest and I can pull it into myself very easily. My hands just kind of grip around the armrest really nicely. Now another thing that I love is the way that this is ergonomic. So the way that we have this awesome modern U-shaped design is going to enable you to be able to kind of sit in the chair in multiple different ways. So again, if you're maybe bringing a board game out after dinner, or you're just hanging out and lounging, you can sit in the angle of the chair, like different ways. And I like that because for me, maybe I do want to sit a little bit of an angle, stare out of a window, talk to somebody over here. It's just really comfortable all the way throughout because there's padding all the way throughout this armrest, and I really do love that. The legs and the framing of this chair is going to be made with a solid wood that's going to be super durable, and it also looks amazing with that natural wood. One thing that I do love about these chairs is it actually has a taper on the bottom of the base. So as the seat is coming to the front, it does taper down, which is really nice because I feel that hug my thighs and a little bit of my calves. So the way that you're sitting on the chair, it definitely provides a lot of comfort that I actually haven't felt on other chairs before. Overall, these dining room chairs are a home run. I absolutely love them. They look so luxury, so high end. These chairs definitely bring a lot of compliments and just look amazing in the home. Make sure that you check out the other color options that they have. I highly recommend these chairs. Make sure you add them to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.